Hi! Recently, I made a video where I showed my experiences with the Karcher WD after 2 years of use. In this video, I'm going to take the vacuum cleaner apart so you can see what components it consists of. After removing the top part, we can access the screws. Important: the device must not be connected to power during the process. Here, you can find Torx head screws. Once these are removed, the top section can be separated. The lower part contains 2 locking clips. And all of the electronics. Here you can also see the screws and other components. The power switch is held in place by a clip. After that, the wires can be removed from the housing. There is also an extra fastening for them. Here you can see all the electronics. After removing the final screw, the motor and the air guide walls can also be separated. The motor has a rubber rim for better mounting. On top of it, you can observe an additional fan that helps with cooling, regardless of whether the vacuum is clogged or not. It's a very efficient solution. Even after 2 years of use, the motor does not produce any unusual noise, and no vibration can be detected. Here, you can also see the airflow channels, which also help with cooling the motor. The electronics inside the device are minimal. And finally, here is the plastic part that prevents water from entering the motor in case of overfilling. If you haven't seen the previous parts, you can find them on my channel.